Hi guys, and welcome to the tutorial where we will explain how you can unhold money on PayPal. So let's jump right in. First, open PayPal in your browser and log into your account. Once you're in, navigate to the transaction that's currently on hold and click on it. You should see an option labeled Add Tracking Info. Go ahead and select that. If your transaction involved a service rather than a physical product, choose the option that categorizes it as a service or other. This lets PayPal know that no item was physically shipped, and it can help speed up the release of your funds. Make sure to also ask your client to confirm that they've received the service on their end, as this step helps finalize the process faster. If the transaction was for a physical product, then mark it as shipped and select Tracking Information Not Required. After submitting that, your buyer will receive a prompt on their PayPal account to confirm they've received the product or service. Once they confirm it, your payment should be released almost instantly. That's how you can unhold your money on PayPal with minimal delay.